account if you like Steelmate， 就简单一点，这样子。
好，笑容饱满。哎，什么？哎，小事，无所谓的。砸了就砸了嘛。
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Weekend from the Steelmate OC department.
Hello, I'm Ivan. We are pleased that you're spending your time here. As we all know, 2020 will be a very special year. Most of the countries are affected by the coronavirus.
Yes.
And we know it is very difficult for our client to attend Canton Fair as like before. However, the Canton Fair organizer have changed the performance from offline exhibition to online show. And the show will be start from 15 June to 24 June, 10 days in total.
Yes, today we will just present you for the Steelmate sales team and make a prediction to over the Canton Fair. And we, from our clients, just can get more information about our company and the products. If you want to learn more details, you can just please visit the Steelmate online shops in the Canton Fair the platform, or just visit Steelmate website.
Okay, welcome to our new fan, and thank you for joining us in our live channel. Please do remember follow our account if you like Steelmate.
Okay, so I want to just share one story about the Steelmate, the owner, Mr. Li Anpei. And 30 years ago, Mr. Li's motorcycle was stolen by somebody. He is very upset about this case. So he wanted to develop one of the products can be avoid the similar case again. So he studied all the technology and developed the motorcycle alarm. Since that, he has already started to study the car accessory, the products. And from that, Steelmate has already entered to the automotive, the electronic industry.
Welcome.
From the 1993, since that, Steelmate is growing very fast in the past 27 years as a good, excellent quality and very nice products. We have already got very good market share in the domestic market, and meanwhile, we have also exported all the products to the overseas market over 10 years. Right now, we have built very good brand reputation in automatic electronics field, and then we have already got very high praise from our clients from China market and overseas market. Our currently the commitment is built provide more safety equipment to our drivers.
Okay, welcome our new fan and thank you for joining us on our live channel. Please do remember to follow our account if you like Steelmate. And welcome. I'm sure there certainly have many advanced and technology products in Steelmate. Can you show us some news for this time?
Oh, for this Canton Fair, and Steelmate has already prepared so many, about 45 items on the website, the shops. Can you you can just check and reference. And meanwhile, this time our live show And over the sixth person, we will do the live show for introduced about the 45 items, include parking sensor, TPMS, car alarm, and the motorcycle alarm, and the blind spot detection, and the baby seat alarm system, and finally, and the DVR driving recorder. And finally, we have one the very powerful new arrival is 1S safety driving system. Maybe someone wanted to ask, what is 1S safety driving system? 1, that's the meaning, is one display screen. S, that's the meaning the multi-safety function can be integrated in one system. This system can provide advanced the safety assistance to our driver, can greatly reduce the risk of accident. So, and you can get more safety the protect from these items. If you want to learn more and the information or want to contact with us, okay, welcome to just pay attention to our account and learn more information.
Okay, thank you for the introduction for our product. And now let's look at this timetable. It is our timetable, and we will start the show from 15 June to 24 June. And every day we will have 6 live show, and each show will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. And here we enclose the QR code for our YouTube and Facebook. And our website if you want to get more further communication with us.
讲完了。
Okay, welcome our new fan, and thank you for joining us in our live channel. Please do remember follow us, and if you like Steelmate.
结束了，没了。
不是有邀请那个？
不是你。
The world's first four-wheeled car was produced in Germany in 1886. And since then, the automotive industry ushered in a blowout period of development. With the tremendously industrial growth in recent years, the automotive industry has officially entered the mature stage from the growth stage. As the world is moving forward, so does the automotive industry. The world automotive industry is evolving at a strikingly fast pace, characterized by more sensor fusion solutions, smarter control system, and faster real-time networked system. And this is what exactly Steelmate has been working on. Steelmate Company Limited has been focusing on the design and development of the automotive safety electronics for the automotive aftermarket since 1993, when it was established, and with great achievements made in the past 2 decades, it has become one of the leading automotive parts provider in China, specializing in design, manufacture, and sale of automotive safety electronics. In 2003, Steelmate strategically expanded into OE business with dedication to OE market for over a decade. Steelmate has forged a reliable business relationship with mainstream car manufacturers such as JAC, Chang'an Auto, Geely Auto, Cherry Auto, Great Wall Motor, Xiaopeng Auto, BAIC Motor. As a technically leading automotive electronics provider, Steelmate is always customer-oriented and has independently developed Body Control Module BCM series with extraordinary data computing and processing abilities. BCM is capable of centralized control of a variety of in-car electronic devices, such as electronic device for door and window control, central control lock, remote alarm system, light control, wiper control to further satisfy customer demand on more convenient driving. Steelmate makes a step forward to launch IBCM that integrates multiple functions of the BCMs. Keyless entry and start PEPS series with low frequency and low frequency two-way wireless communication. PEPS is able to remotely control opening car door and starting the car when the PEPS is detected in the defined range. Advanced RFID radio frequency identification technology used will authorize the vehicle to activate the system functions such as automatic unlock, keyless ignition, T-Box to follow the industrial trend of intelligent and convenient driving. Steelmate rolls out T-Box system, which enables the interactive functions between internet and hardware in the vehicle, making it possible to view vehicle status, to control or start vehicle remotely through the app in smartphone that is designed to participate in a vehicle control system. Furthermore, Steelmate has technically engaged in the development of Parking Assist System (PAS), Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS), and is offering on the market a set of automotive electronic solutions, including sensors, controllers, and networked devices, in order to serve the car manufacturer better and keep in alignment with the automotive development trend. Steelmate established the Guangdong Engineering Technology (R&D) Center by taking advantage of high-performance data processing and strategy algorithm in onboard computer and 5G-based connectivity to facilitate the traffic information between vehicle and man, vehicle and road, vehicle and back-end control systems exchanged and shared in a more intelligent manner, achieving a safer, greener, and more enjoyable driving. With a product development experience and technical accumulations gained from OE business, Steelmate upgrades the products that target aftermarket business, attaching more importance to technology and quality of products. Since 1993, Steelmate has served millions of drivers in over 12,000 outlets in more than 800 cities across China to meet the requirements of aftermarket. Steelmate has launched over 5,000 types of automotive electronics all through these years, including Car Alarm System (CAS). As China's #1 brand in car alarm system, Steelmate has developed a number of car alarm systems, including one-way alarm and two-way alarms, which are both stylish and trendy. With in-depth analysis of consumer preferences in the market, Steelmate will be continuously offering drivers more options of alarm solutions. Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS), involving from black-white display to color display, from powered by electrical power supply to solar energy, from external sensor to built-in sensor. Steelmate TPMS has emerged as the best product of its kind, a benchmark in the industry. In 2019, Steelmate Mini Ones, a multifunctional TPMS specifically designed for women, made its debut. It keeps the original TPMS function while integrating more daily life convenience, such as in-car scent freshener, mobile phone holder, and parking number reminder, together with its microns color scheme, making it well received among female drivers. Parking Assist System (PAS), with in-depth command of ultrasonic sensing technology, Steelmate developed parking sensors for both front and rear obstacle detection. The system is able to detect accurately the obstacles and remind drivers of the distance, assisting drivers with driving in narrow lanes, reverse parking, and parallel parking. Blind spot detection (BSD) with microwave radar technology, Steelmate developed a blind spot detection system that can detect approaching cars from blind or from the neighboring lanes entering the blind zones, and then remind drivers of being cautious when changing or merging lanes under such circumstances, helping drivers keep a safer driving in harsh environments such as in rainy, foggy, or snowy weather. Front collision warning (FCW). Steelmate was the first company adopting military-grade microwave radar technology to develop FCW that detect accurately the dynamic distance between the front vehicles when driving at a speed of over 30 km/h. The system can work well all day long, without being influenced by bad environment such as in rain, foggy, snowy, and hazy weather, and issue warnings if necessary to avoid potential collisions. Wise driving safety system and integration of multiple functional modules. In 2019, Steelmate brought forward the innovative concept of multi-modular safety application configurations and later revealed its Wise driving safety system, which integrated the various safety functions used for safe driving and displayed all the real-time driving data via its DVR screen, existing Android infotainment dashboard or LED screen, thus improving significantly the driving safety and comfort. This system also is designed to allow drivers to select their favorite safety applications based on personal requirements and purchase preferences. Hammer Audio. Driving, besides being safe, should also be enjoyable. Steelmate has dived deep in the research in car audio and created Hammer Audio brand with a set of audio products including DSP power amplifier, onboard power amplifier, onboard subwoofer, and high-quality loudspeaker. With the customer-tailored products and services, Steelmate is providing drivers with a safer and more acoustically enjoyable ride. Every innovation is by no means accidental, adhering to the principle that innovation creates productivity. Steelmate has established a large R&D team with more than 1,000 professionals who are involved in research and design programs with universities and research institutes, as well as business partners such as Chongqing University, Beijing Institute of Technology, and Guangdong University of Technology, Hong Kong Applied Science and Technology Research Institute, LeaderTech Incorporated, Hong Kong Productivity Canton. In addition, Steelmate established a strategic partnership with world-known European and American companies and were granted for more than 500 local and international patents with over 70,000 technical articles published. Where there's no standard, there's no quality. This is the universally acknowledged rule in manufacturing sector. In this regard, Steelmate has passed the strict management system of IATF 16949-2016 specifically for automotive industry and other standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 14000. All these standards and systems are being kept effectively running to ensure the quality. Steelmate Industrial Park covers an area of more than 60,000 square meters and a mini equipped with 45 modern production lines, a fully automatic AK1 workshop, an in-house mold workshop, and ISO 17025 compliant testing center. All are respectively arrayed with high-speed, high-precision automatic machinery from world-class companies in Germany and Japan, like Siemens and Yamaha.
Hello everyone, my name is Wickham.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm the College of Wickham.
Okay. This time we just launched this live show. Just wanted to introduce our currently the information about our currently the prepare for the Canton Fair.
Yes, we will do the petition today to let you know what we are going to introduce by the following days.
Yes, because currently and most of countries are affected by the coronavirus and everything is not in the normal state situations.
Yes, as I remember, last year we still need to went to Guangzhou Canton Fair and attend Canton Fair to face-to-face discuss with our clients who came from all over the world. But this time everything changed.
Yes, everything is changed. So, and this time we have to do all the communication, the online and the show and all the showroom, our products and all the communication, and you can just like this way.
Yes, the organizer of Canton Fair have built up another way which moved the offline exhibition to the online live show. Yes. And now the time of the Canton Fair is start from 15 June to 24 June, in total 10 days.
Yes, 10 days. Okay, and you know, I hear one news about the corona status in the US. Already about 2 million people affected by the virus. That's a very disaster. It's a very big disaster.
Yeah, I heard that because I am responsible for American market in Steelmate, and now my client is fighting for the coronavirus and have no time to discuss with me for the order, and I'm quite sad with it. But I hope them can be over control the coronavirus soon. so that we can come back to normal work and normal business.
Yes, we have just to get the same situations from all the other countries, the current information, just like the Italy and the Poland and the Russia and the UK. So all the clients just in the current situations, the thing is cannot be going very as normal situations. So economical just has a big effect, and everything is stopped now. Now maybe from the June, and everything come back to a need of change. Okay, get better and better, but the economic status is not very good. So most of our clients are worried about his business. How can we go in the next half year?
Yes, so the Canton Fair still is a very important part for us and for our business. And as it is the first time we do the Canton Fair online, and also we are the first time to have our Facebook account and the YouTube account.
Yes.
So our clients, if you want to get more information for our products, you can just scan our QR code for the Facebook and for the YouTube, or maybe log in the websites to check more information about that.
And meanwhile, and this time, and the Steelmate has just printed about maybe the 45 items on the online shops in the Canton Fair platform. So I'm thinking you can just check it and very carefully and can many information from this website. Maybe you can find out another business opportunities. For example, this time we have just developed one very powerful the safety driving system. Okay, please give to me. Okay, look at this picture. I'm thinking everybody maybe just want to ask, what is the 1S? 1, that's the meaning the one display screen. S, that's the meaning is a several the safety function can be integrated in one the system. This safety function include parking sensor, blind spots detection, air quality the monitoring, and the forwarder warning system, and the car alarm, and the driving recorder, and the front and the rear, and the TPMS. So we include the 8 safety function can be merged in one system. That the product is very powerful and different compared with the currently existing items. So I'm thinking this item can be bring more business opportunities for your current business. So I'm thinking that is very interesting and the potential, the best sellers in the future.
I think our audience here will be very interested in our products, and I believe they also very interesting about the history of Steelmate. And can you tell us some funny story about Steelmate?
Okay, so we can just talk about, we have some idea about our the company. So firstly, we have just introduced our the owner, Mr. Li Anpei. And 30 years ago, he has one of the favorite is a motorcycle. But the motorcycle is stolen, is stolen by somebody. He is very upset about this. But he wants to just find some way to can avoid the similar case again. Finally, he has developed the motorcycle alarm. Do you know what is the motorcycle alarm? That's meaningful. He can get the sensor put in the motorcycle, and anybody touch and want to just remove. Okay, this alarm maybe can give a warning with a big loud and light. Beep 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 beep. You can know if anybody just want to touch your motorcycle and want to just take away, and this system will be give a warning, and you can get information immediately. And you can just find out. You can just avoid the similar case again. Since that, he started to he studied this kind of the products, and later he just developed about the car alarm system, and after that, and the parking sensor. So after several years, and the Steelmate has started to just develop more car accessory and the safety of the products, the parking sensor and the car alarm, and later just developed about TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. So after that, and the Steelmate has entered this automotive electronic industry from that. So in the past of 27 years, Steelmate is growing very fast in China. His market share, he has already become the #1 the brand in China aftermarket right now. And meanwhile, and the Steelmate has exported to the overseas market for over 10 years. So after that, Steelmate has built the famous and the reputation in automatic industry. Meanwhile, we have already got very high praise from our clients from the China market and the overseas market. So, Steelmate has already got a very good achievement right now. So our commitment, just our slogan, think safety, think Steelmate. So our commitment is want to provide more the safety equipment to all the driving owner.
It's a very funny story about the history for our Steelmate, and we can, today our main purpose for the show is to introduce our life schedule to our audience. So here is, let's look at our timetable. Okay. We will start from 15 June to 24 June. And every day we will have a 6 live show, and start from 9:30 in the morning until to 9:30 in the evening. And then each show will be last to 1 hour and 30 minutes.
And the live show has for the different product and categories. So and welcome to just watch the video, watch the live show. And later, and I have to introduce all the sales team. Steelmate is just for the overseas department has 6 the sales team. Okay, I want to introduce them one by one. And first one is from the North America and South Asia. Is Ivan?
Yeah. Hello. I'm Ivan. I'm responsible for North American and South Asia. For example, India, Pakistan, and if your guy who is come from this kind of market, just feel free to contact me if you have any inquiry. Okay. And who is the next?
Only you.
I have my partner Don, who will be together with me and introduce our products by the following day. Don, my partner Don.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, next the sales team is East, South Asia, and Africa.
Hi, good afternoon and good morning, my friends. I'm Mark. I'm in charge of the South Asia market and Africa market.
Hi, I am Will. I'm also in charge of the Southeast Asia market. Nice to meet you, everyone, friends.
Okay, next is the sales team is West Europe team. 就你们对。
Hello everyone, I'm Cinco.
Hello, I'm Cinco's teammate Austin.
I'm in charge of the West Europe market. We have already built a reputation in European market, and we have do a lot of the OE, PDI channel, and many of aftermarket outlets. Think safety, think Steelmate.
Okay. Next one is Eastern Europe.
Hello everyone, I'm Casey. I'm main deal with the country of UK, Poland, France, and Italy, and Russia, and Ukraine.
Okay. Next is Middle East area and South American.
Hello everyone, my name is Sam, and we are in charge of Middle East and South America and also Australia.
Hi everyone, this is Becky from Steelmate. Nice to meet you.
I'm Tina. Nice to meet you. I will assist Sam to responsible for North America and Middle East. Thank you.
Thanks for our online show, and any question contact with us. Okay, bye bye.
Next one is overseas online business channel.
Hello guys, I'm Abby, and who is in charge the online shop, and we have the online shop. If you want to buy the products from Steelmate, you can follow our Facebook or YouTube to ask for the address. Also, you can visit our official website to get some information what you want to know. And we will have the online Canton Fair from 15 to 24 this month. So if you want to learn more about that, please join us. Thank you.
结束了吗
Okay, and if you would like to get more information, please do follow Steelmate account and follow our account if you like Steelmate. And we look forward to helping you together with us soon. Okay, bye.
？OK， 拜拜。多长时间？有没有15分钟？
有没有30分钟啊？
肯定没有。
The world's first four-wheeled car was produced in Germany in 1886